How to withdraw money on Square. Hello friends, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can withdraw money from Square. I'm sure each and every one of us using Square is using it for the purpose of getting money or getting returns on investment, right? Yes, so this is how to go about it. The first step is to log in into your Square account. You can do this using your computer or your mobile device like I am doing here. Now, this page, you can see that on the checkout page, there is nothing like amount or withdraw or whatever, right? You can just see the plus icon and then some icons and all of that. This is because in Nigeria, the feature of receiving payment and sending payment is not yet activated. So that means I cannot withdraw money even on Square on this particular application. But for you, depending on your location, if it is allowed, by the top left side of the screen, you would see your balance tab. All right, just go ahead and click on it. Once you click on it, a box will be displayed. In this box, select transfer. All right, once you click on transfer, you'll be directed to a page where you'll be asked to select the bank account that you'd like to transfer or withdraw your money into. Confirm the transfer by following the prompts and then confirm the amount you would like to transfer, and then within 36 hours or 1 to 2 business days of the transactions, you will definitely get your money. So that is it. That is how you can go about it. That is how you can withdraw your money on Square. Just follow the procedures that I have said in this tutorial and you are good to go. Thanks for watching and have a good day.